Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which earbud tip is installed and which size you need next. Once done, clean your hands and lay the case open on a flat surface to avoid drops. Now, grasp the silicone tip at its base and pull straight away from the speaker mesh. Do not twist. This detaches the tip without damaging the stem. If it resists, apply steady, even pressure and check your angle so you pull directly outward. Next, choose the new tip size and align its oval opening with the earbud speaker mesh. Make sure the internal slot lines up with the earbud stem. This ensures the acoustic seal works properly. Push the tip straight on until you feel or hear a subtle click. That indicates the retention ring engaged. You want a snug fit but not forced. Once attached, give a gentle tug to verify it's secure before moving to the other ear. Finally, put each earbud in and run an audio and active noise cancellation test to confirm the seal and sound quality. If a tip feels loose or sound is hollow, remove it and reseat it carefully. Alternatively, try the next size up or down to find the best seal. If tips tear, won't click, or audio still sounds wrong, inspect for damage and replace the tips or contact Apple support. Do not force damaged tips onto the stem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.